So today Wyatt and Peter, right? Found this at the below or between the stones of the Byzantine wall that are taking apart in the lower part area. And at the beginning they thought this might be an oil lamp, because you can see this is hollow. And there's an opening here, but it seems to be just broken. And this is not an oil lamp, but rather a figurine. But it is confusing because oil lamps and this Hellenistic and Roman and Byzantine period figurines were made in a very similar technique, using molds. So you would have a mold for the front, another mold for the back, and you would press pottery into the mold. So what we have here is the front, only the upper part figurine with the head of a female. You can see both from the hairstyle, and it seems that she has earrings. But you can see that the back is not very much, well designed. So probably used to put in a niche or something. So figurines we have from the start, from very early, from the Neolithic period. When humans were trying to find themselves someone to ask for better luck and fortune, and to protection. And it's like we have fertility figurines, and we have other types of female and male figurines. It's hard to identify which type of or which goddess this female was, because the headdress is missing, it is broken. It does seem that she had like a small projecting head, perhaps in the shape of a city wall or city fortification, and then we would identify it as Tyche. Tyche, the goddess, the Greek goddess of fortune or luck. What else can we say? So again, we're not specialists on everything that we find, so it's good that we have good contacts with specialists. And there's a professor in the Haifa University, Professor Early, who is a specialist on figurines, on terracotta figurines. And she immediately could tell, just from sending her the photograph, that this figurine was made not in a stone mold, but in a gypsum or terracotta mold. And therefore it's not late Roman, but probably Middle Roman, 2nd century CE. So it means we're, although we are taking apart the Byzantine period wall, this came from material that is earlier to that wall, that was taken from someone else. So this find goes together with the Greek with the 10th Legion stamp and other finds that we found earlier in the dig, unfortunately out of context. So we don't have the architecture, or we don't see the layer of the Middle Roman or late Roman. We only see the remains of the Byzantine dwellings, and below we have the Roman remains.